No, sir, this mad. Me have to go doctor, man. Me definitely have to go doctor. Cause this not right. Me can't hear the blood clot dog. Me can't hear the dog. Attack. Me don't even know me a blood clot. Somebody else hard for. No, man, me have to book a pipe, man, tomorrow, boy. Cause something wrong. This not right. Me might have a look it up in a Google, you know. Yeah, me have a look it up in a Google. Hold on. You go on. Go on and look and see what you find. Because me sure say, you not go find nothing for this. Me I tell you. But go on. Me will sit down here patiently and wait for you to tell me, cause you can hear me now. And me can respond back. So, me will sit down here and wait. Because me really want blood clot. No, I want it call. Come now, man. Jesus. Me no want believe say me crazy. Cause boy, say this crazy. This gone crazy. And me know plenty of people and come across plenty of people and grow with plenty of people. I mean, no say nobody have this. So have a little fear for me now. Jesus. Oh yes. I put me paw upon me heart and believe for you. Me will believe for you. But me know say you're gone mad now. And if I know that, then why? How come only you can do it? I want to make you so special. Shut up your mouth, man. And hold on. Let me check now. It's a 0 to 1,000,000 chance that me can hear animal attack. So, that must mean say Jimmy did attack the truth. Me mad no blood clot. Well, me could have tell you that blood clot before you jump on the blood clot laptop and try find your crazy raw self on there. When you no find yourself, you find yourself in 0 to 1,000,000. Ha! It look like a me and you till the end go see. You fuck are you? It looks so